Well, some of them, the granite in the Great Pyramid comes from more than 500 miles to the south.
Ancient Sumeria in southern Mesopotamia is often cited as the most ancient civilization, even the first civilization.
Egypt is no stranger to harboring mysterious civilizations, some of which seem incredibly advanced, despite the skepticism of mainstream science. Graham Hancock, in particular, has been a vocal advocate for the idea that these ancient cultures were far more advanced and prosperous than traditionally believed, even though many scientists have resisted this notion. Now, a groundbreaking discovery has been made, a city that's been celebrated as one of Egypt's most remarkable finds in the last century. This remarkable find promises to shed new light on ancient Egypt and unveil hidden secrets from its past. So, what exactly does this discovery reveal about this ancient civilization, and what mysteries does it hold? Let's delve into the details to find out. Graham Hancock, a prominent figure in the field of archaeology and history, has been making significant contributions to our understanding of ancient civilizations. He has put forth a compelling argument that a lost civilization once thrived around 12,500 years ago, during a period of dramatic global climate change following the Ice Age. This shifting climate had profound effects on life across the planet, and the survivors of this tumultuous era dispersed across the world, laying the foundation for subsequent human generations. Hancock's theories about these forgotten civilizations have garnered widespread attention, so much so that they have been featured in a Netflix series hosted by the archaeologist himself. This 8-part series takes viewers on an extraordinary journey to various exotic locations around the world, including Egypt, Peru, and Indonesia. Along the way, Graham Hancock unveils remnants of ancient civilizations, from buried cities in Egypt's deserts to the fascinating Göbekli Tepe site in Turkey. This series establishes a profound connection between the past and the present, showcasing the enduring mysteries of our world's history. The series' 5th episode, titled Legacy of the Sages, serves as a cornerstone for Graham Hancock's theories on ancient civilizations. It delves into the enigmatic Göbekli Tepe site in Turkey, which stands out as significantly older than any other known megalithic structure worldwide. This episode underscores many of Hancock's insights, highlighting the existence of advanced civilizations lost to history. Civilizations that seem to have achieved remarkable advancements ahead of their time. Another compelling example of such a civilization is the Harappan civilization, which thrived in the Indus Valley. The Harappans left behind well-documented evidence of their achievements, including impressive feats like indoor plumbing and a sophisticated sewage system. They also constructed large public buildings that can be likened to town halls or even Senate buildings. Despite these remarkable advancements, the reasons behind the civilization's eventual abandonment remain a mystery, illustrating how ancient civilizations often leave us with more questions than answers. While some ancient cities like Göbekli Tepe raise questions about why they were abandoned, others, like the royal metropolis recently discovered by Egyptologist Zahi Hawass and his team, provide invaluable insights into the past. This 3,400-year-old site, located just north of modern-day Luxor, unveiled secrets from one of ancient Egypt's most prosperous eras, shedding light on the achievements and sophistication of that civilization. The excavation led to the remarkable discovery of an exceptionally well-preserved city, its walls and rooms still in remarkably good condition and containing a wealth of everyday tools and artifacts. Several distinct neighborhoods have been revealed within the city, including an administrative district, a bakery, and a residential area. This significant discovery, hidden beneath the sands of Egypt, was known as the ancient city of Soudatan, or the Rise of Aten. Betsy Bryan, a professor of Egyptology at Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore, US, has described the unearthing of this lost city as the second most important archaeological discovery since the unveiling of Tutankhamun's tomb. She emphasized that the city presents a unique opportunity to gain insights into the daily lives of ancient Egyptians during a period of unparalleled wealth and prosperity when the empire was at its zenith. The excavation yielded a treasure trove of valuable archaeological artifacts, including colourful pottery, jewellery, mud bricks bearing seals of Amenhotep III, scarabs and beetle amulets. The archaeological team initiated their dig on the west bank of Luxor, near the Valley of the Kings, approximately 500 kilometres south of Cairo. Within a matter of weeks, they uncovered formations of mud bricks that extended in various directions. Hieroglyphic inscriptions found on clay caps of wine vessels at the site have allowed experts to date the city to the reign of Pharaoh Amenhotep III, who ruled during the 18th dynasty between 1386 and 1353 BC. Amenhotep III's reign is noted for its tranquility and prosperity, marking Egypt's peak of international influence. He is often referred to as Amenhotep the Magnificent or Amenhotep the Great. Towards the latter part of his rule, Amenhotep III began to share power with his eldest son, who would later become known as Amenhotep IV. Following the death of his father, the younger Amenhotep embarked on a dramatic transformation of Egypt. He made significant religious changes by forsaking all Egyptian deities except for the sun god Aten. His name was changed from Amenhotep IV to Akhenaten, which translates to devoted to Aten. Additionally, he presided over the emergence of a new artistic movement. Alongside his wife Nefertiti, Akhenaten relocated Egypt's royal capital from Thebes to a newly established city called Akhetaten, now known as Amarna. In addition to the bakery and administrative section, an area dedicated to the production of mud bricks was discovered during the excavation. Within this area, an intriguing find was made: the skeleton of a cow or bull alongside a human skeleton in an unusual posture, with its arms extended down by its side and evidence of a rope around its knees. While it is known that ancient Egyptian customs included various forms of sacrifices, including animal offerings, the presence of a human skeleton suggests the possibility of human sacrifices in the city. Furthermore, the archaeological team uncovered a vessel containing approximately 2 gallons of dried or boiled meat, bearing inscriptions that read Year 1337. The inscriptions provided the names of 2 individuals associated with the city. When translated, the inscription indicated dressed meat for the 3rd Hebsed festival from the slaughterhouse of the stockyard of Ka, made by the butcher Louis. This translation offers a glimpse into the lives of 2 inhabitants of the ancient city, Louis the butcher and the individual who placed the order. Despite the challenges of their time, it provides insight into a bygone era characterized by genuine human connections and communal life. Excavations at ancient sites often unveil a treasure trove of historical insights, from the secrets hidden in buried scrolls to the ancient clay tablets favored by Mesopotamian and Babylonian ancestors. Mesopotamia, often regarded as the cradle of civilization, continues to yield remarkable findings that align with the work and claims of scholars like Graham Hancock. Being the birthplace of civilization, Mesopotamia consistently surprises archaeologists with its advanced knowledge. One such archaeological site is located in Gursu, situated in modern-day south-central Iraq. This city, a significant center in the ancient Mesopotamian Sumerian civilization, boasts a history dating back over 4 millennia. Despite challenges such as early excavation methods that caused damage and artifact hunters scouring for treasures to sell illegally, determined scientists have made substantial discoveries at Gursu over the past century. Notably, the Stele of the Vultures, a monument consisting of stone slabs depicting various battles and religious scenes, stands as a famous example of findings from the Gursu project. This artifact takes its name from a scene featuring vultures. Recent excavation efforts have unveiled a mud brick-built palace believed to have been the primary residence of Ningirsu, the deity associated with Gursu. Additionally, over 200 cuneiform logosyllabic script tablets have been discovered, providing invaluable administrative records from ancient times. A French archaeological mission in Iraq has also shed new light on the vast and enigmatic world of Mesopotamia and its neighbouring regions. In the Kurdistan region of Iraq, recent excavations have unveiled the remnants of an ancient city located on the slopes of Kunara, dating back to the late 3rd millennium BC. This city was situated within an unfamiliar kingdom belonging to the mountain-dwelling people who had previously remained overshadowed by their dominant Mesopotamian neighbours. Over the course of 6 excavation campaigns spanning from 2012 to 2018, archaeologists unearthed traces of this unexpected ancient city at the Cunara site. Positioned on the fringes of the Zagros Mountains, it occupied 2 small hills overlooking the right bank of a branch of the Tanjaro River, approximately 5 kilometres southwest of Suleymania. The significance of this discovery is amplified by the rarity of cities like Cunara. During these excavations, 5 distinct areas within the site revealed extensive stone foundations that stretched for dozens of metres, all dating to the late 3rd millennium, around 2200 BC. In essence, these monumental structures were erected over 4,000 years ago. The archaeologists themselves were pleasantly astounded, confessing that they had not anticipated finding a city in this particular location. This marked the commencement of an extraordinary journey. Soon the team stumbled upon the first tablet, a moment filled with profound emotion. Subsequently, dozens of other tablets were unearthed, each resembling small clay rectangles measuring approximately 10 centimetres on each side. These tablets bore closely spaced cuneiform inscriptions, a form of writing that had emerged in the Middle East in the mid-4th millennium BC. This discovery further substantiated the prevailing theories that designate this region as the universal cradle of writing and human history. The discovery of the city of Cunara could potentially prompt Assyriologists to re-evaluate their understanding of this mountainous region. It offers a fresh perspective on the history of an area that, until now, has primarily been documented by the Mesopotamian conquerors. Cunara's location on the western border of Mesopotamia, situated at the threshold of Mesopotamia's first empire, the Akkadian Empire, is significant. This empire united the city-states of the region and was ruled by some of Mesopotamia's most illustrious kings, who carried the prestigious title of King of the 4 regions of the world. While these kings may have appeared rather grandiose, they earned their titles through their actions. The discovery at Cunara sheds new light on the people of this era, offering insights into their lives and achievements. The constant and relentless efforts of determined archaeologists continue to unveil ancient civilizations, providing us with tantalizing glimpses into the past. These remarkable discoveries hold immense value in enriching our understanding of history and human development. What are your thoughts on these remarkable discoveries? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments below. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated on our content. Thanks for watching.